Welcome to Alexander's Cards and Collectibles. I'm going to be doing my second box of SPX 2017-18. And if you didn't watch my last video in the SPX 2017-18, I got a autograph, 25 with Doug Gilmore. And so let's get started. We have the fake card, and we have a Carey Price card numbered of 299 from the Montreal Canadiens. We have an autograph card of Sledburden, Ohio, for the Carolina Hurricanes. And it's not numbered. We have a Nico Hischier Shadow Box rookie card for the New Jersey Devils. We have a shirt of William Nylander for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Bye bye.